What's up everyone? So if you have this problem with Chrome Desktop Manager, if you are getting this error, the way to fix it is go to Chrome, type this into the search bar and you will end up on your extensions page. So what you have to do is remove the application and then search for it and reinstall it. Okay, so let's add it. Launch the application and let's see if it's working. Type in the PIN I'll just have to wait because the internet connection is pretty bad, but it will work. There you go. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.